Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback from the last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Super Bowl. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is the Super Bowl the championship game of the NBA? No, it's the championship game of the NFL. Do Americans usually celebrate the Super Bowl with big parties? Yes, Super Bowl parties are very popular across the country. Is the Super Bowl known for quiet and simple commercials? No, the commercials are famous for being creative, funny, or emotional. Is the Super Bowl held every 4 years like the Olympics? No, it's held every year, usually in February. Do people only watch the Super Bowl if they like football? No, many people watch it for the halftime show and the ads. Is pizza one of the most popular foods during the Super Bowl? Yes, pizza is a top choice for Super Bowl parties. Have artists like Beyoncé and Shakira performed at the Super Bowl? Yes, they've headlined a halftime show. Is the Super Bowl considered a minor event in the US? No, it's one of the biggest events in American culture. Do companies pay less than $1 million for a Super Bowl ad? No, they pay several $1,000,000 for a 30-second spot. Does the Super Bowl bring together different kinds of people? Yes, it unites sports fans, families, food lovers, and music fans. Watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're ready for the next lesson in this amazing series on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.